Hello ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
May I know your name and where you stay in Delhi?
My name is Shruti Verma and I am putting up in C block, Vikaspuri.
How old is your child?
My son is 3.5 years.
What kind of classes you are looking for a child?
I was looking for him where he could get a better atmosphere, just like a homely atmosphere, where the teachers could inculcate in him the best of the activities, could make him, adjust in all kinds of atmosphere. And obviously every parent needs that his or her child should grow in a good citizen, and that's what I was looking for.
Which other option did you consider?
Bachpan Play School was my first and my last option. I was very much satisfied with Bachpan.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
As I told you, this was my first option. After coming over here and talking to Charu ma'am, I didn't feel going out anywhere else. I thought this is the best option. First of all, it was nearby my house. Secondly, the way the teacher told, she described about the activities that are being held in the Bachpan Play School, most tremendous. And I was very much satisfied. So I didn't want to go to any other school, like we have Kids Z and many other schools, Euro Kids. So this was my first option and I opted for this one.
Okay ma'am. Based on your experience, what are the two things you really like about Bachpan Play School Vikaspuri?
Okay, the first thing is the effort the teacher puts in each and every child. For example, my son was not he was not adjusted to toilet habits. He couldn't tell that I want to pass urine, I want to go to potty. So the best thing that Bachpan Play School inculcated in him was they basically taught him the toilet habits, which is must. Because when I put him in this Bachpan Play School, he was around 2 years, 1.5 or 2 years. So they basically taught him the toilet habits, plus they gave him a lot of exposure. He was a bit shy child. He didn't, though he was talking, but he couldn't come out of his dreams. But Bachpan Play School, they basically provided him a good platform, and they gave him the 2 stage performances. Both of them were choreographed by Vidya sir, and that was my best experience.
Anything that could be better?
I think they can, though it's a big constraint of the area that they are having, because this is a small play school. If they could get, they could, just make a larger area, because though classes are small and children, they have to sit together, and I feel it's a bit, not so spacious. It could be a little bit more spacious. Though I know it's a, area constraint is definitely there, but all other things are perfectly fine.
Okay ma'am. On a scale 1 to 5, how likely are you going to recommend Bachpan Play School Vikaspuri to other parents?
I would recommend it at the first place, not only because my son has studied in Bachpan Play School, but my experience has been great, and I have even opted many other parents. I have told them that they should give this option Bachpan Play School the first one, because what the teachers does over here is they put a lot of activities in the child. At present, my son is in K.R. Mangalam. I have got him admission in the nursery school. So what the K.R. Mangalam at present are teaching him is basic concepts like standing lines, sleeping lines, and all these things have already been taught in the Bachpan Play School. One of the biggest drawbacks that I have seen in K.R. Mangalam in comparison to Bachpan Play School, when he was here, teacher took utmost care to see that he finishes his lunch. They tried कि कभी भी बच्चा lunch वापस ना लेके आए. But this is a big drawback in the other school. Okay. And I have seen a big notice on this. So I think teachers, they put a lot of efforts. Even on Saturdays they are coming. They are always ready to meet the parents of the child. If the parents are having any problem, they want to communicate with the child, they always give an open platform. So I would give best of my marks, 100 marks. That is the first time.
On a scale 1 to 5, how will you?
Yes, the first time.
5. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
I think it's Bachpan deserves the first place.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.